Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Shopify admin access using password reset and staff permissions, full guide step by step clearly. To restore access to your Shopify admin using the password reset process, start by visiting the Shopify login page. Enter the email address associated with your Shopify account. Click on the Forgot Password link. Check your email for a password reset link sent by Shopify. Open the email and click on the provided link. You will be directed to a new page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements. Once you've entered your new password, confirm it by typing it again. Click the Reset Password button to save your changes. Now, log into your Shopify account using your new password. If you cannot access your email or have not received the reset link, proceed to the next steps. Contact the account owner if you are part of a team and request them to reset the password for you. If you are the account owner and cannot access email, use the Shopify support page for assistance. Provide verification details as required to confirm your identity to Shopify support. Once verified, request support to reset your password directly for you. When you regain access, check your staff permissions. Navigate to the Settings section in your Shopify admin dashboard. Click on Users and Permissions. Here, you can view all staff members and their permissions. Ensure your account has the appropriate permissions to manage the store. If your permissions need adjustments, click on your account to modify them. Adjust the permissions to grant yourself full access as necessary. Save your changes and log out and back in to confirm access. This completes the process to restore your Shopify admin access using the password reset and staff permissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.